What's up, my beautiful people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Welcome to your YouTube channel. So guys, I just want to say a very big thank you to everyone that stopped by on the other video I just did. That was the first video that crossed me to 1,000 views after monetization. That video got me 1,800 views already. And guys, I'm going to share with you how much I've made on that video so far.
This is the video we're talking about here. This one right here. So the overview of this video, see, we've gotten 1,885 views since it was published. Let's see the reach of the video. The video has reached 16k people, and this is how people found this video. Browser is 92%, channels, other YouTube features, Gmail. As you can see, this, look at the content also that suggested a video. Look at, yeah, I don't know some of these people, but thank God. Let's see the engagements. We have already gotten 51 hours, 51.1 hour. It says that 57% of viewers are still watching at around the 0.30 miles, which is typical. So let's see. The average duration is 1 minute 37 seconds. That's how long people stay on the video. And let's see the audience. We have 83 returning viewers. Look at the ages of people that watch this video: 18 to 24, 25 to 35, 35 to 44. We have 12% of male and female, 87%. Thank you, everyone. We have Nigeria, United States, Kenya. So see, 91% of people are not subscribed. Too bad. We have our unique viewers. Okay, unique viewers are the first timers. Like, this is the first time they are coming across my channel. We have 1.5. Thank you guys for clicking on my video. We have 35 million subscribers added to this video. Ooh, thank God. Then let's see the revenue. The revenue says $10.62, and I have 65% of super chats. So when I looked at my my computer, it shows me that $7 from this $10, $7 is super chat. Then the rest is from my ads. And see how long people stay. 70% of people, they watch the ad. So that's about it, guys. Let's not waste too much time on this video. I really want to say thank you so much. All I wanted to do was to show you this video. And when I looked at my computer too, the computer will show you a better version. Or yeah, it told me that YouTube has recommended, look, okay, it's right here too. Look at 1.7. YouTube is actually recommending my videos. Guys, look at the notification. Only 23 people clicked on it through notification, which means if I was hoping on them, whew, Father, thank you for YouTube is even recommending my video. That's one thing you guys should just pray for YouTube to recommend your video. That's where I'm going to end this video. Thank you guys for watching. I really truly love you guys. Bye.